Hello, Paul here from EMD, Porsche Specialist at Caringbah. Hopefully you can see this on the street, Kawara Road. So today we just want to, I had this car running for about an hour, 1 hour on the actual hoist, and we double checked everything. No coolant leaks, no airbag lights, no engine lights. Running nice and smooth right now, much better than before. A lot of stuff was broken and a lot of stuff wasn't put back, put back properly. As you can see, everything's, and some of the vacuum lines and was routed wrong as well. So we had to we spent more time actually trying to fix it, fix what people were doing before, than actually doing the job. So we're gonna start the car up and then we're gonna double check everything. Okay, start it up. We're gonna top up the coolant level. Just got some coolant or water. Because it's already. Oh, just give me the coolant bottle. One coolant bottle. Anyway, now it's running like nice and smooth. Just gonna have a look in here. No more airbag lights. No engine lights. It's got a suspension light on as well, so we're going to check that on Monday. But the main thing is here's the coolant, so we're going to top it up. So you can see the car's idling nice. Okay, so you can see there's no more coolant leak from the back. Usually you start the car up and you have coolant leaks everywhere here. If you look underneath the bottom here, there's not one drop of coolant here. Nice and dry. So I'm going to take the car and give it a nice degrease on Monday. Degrease everything properly, and a lot of stuff here needs to be washed down as well. So I don't think the car's been washed properly for a long time. Put the coil covers back on, trims and all that back on, and double check the car. And then the customer can put some rego on the car as well, and then we can go for a road test, and then he can pick it up. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.